Okay, here's Mike's Trail Edition that has his fender flares. As you can tell. The thing is, putting this on, these rock sliders, they actually hit. It hits right here. So we're going to do some modification and cut it in. And we'll try to get as much of that as we can. Okay, let's see if he can get this in there by himself. I'm just going to get it started to begin with. Probably going to have to give him a hand. We'll see how this goes. Hold this end. Just get it started. Alright. Now, we can try to work on it, and we'll see how this goes. Give me a chair here, because I'm not sitting on the ground, if I don't have to. Drill. Alright. Let's see, what is it going to hit? So we know for sure I'm going to lose at least that. You agree?
No,
not even that. Maybe down here.
We got to get in here, so we're gonna have to come back farther.
Maybe there to start with.
Yeah.
All right. You ready? Ready for me to start?
Yeah.
Wish I had a cutting wheel, but I don't. I don't want to have it broke.
way too far forward.
Once we get this to fit, then we'll clean it up. I think I need to clean some of this crap off it.
Yeah, I'll clean
it. Okay, we got the rock sliders on after modifying the fenders from Kemimoto. The ones we just put on mine, but I don't have the Trail Edition, so I don't have the rock sliders. But if I ever decide to put them on, I'm going to have to do this. But we had to notch it out so it'll fit. So, looks pretty good. Let me back up a little bit here. Oh yeah, still looks good. Mike's over on the other side of it, fighting with it to put it on, or put his rock sliders back on, because it's kind of a pain in the butt to get started, get these bolts going. But,
oh, it is.
if you're not into swear words, you will be doing this. So we got a couple bolts in there started. You think you got that one started?
Well, I had to take this other one out. We're going to find out right now if it's going to start.
Yeah, so he's got to be real gentle because he doesn't strip anything out.
And it's
wrong way. And now it's out. Hey, when that happens. Oh, you think you might get it started? Oh, you got it. Oh. Now you just got to put the other two in before he tightens it up.
This one's in.
Oh. So you have his rock sliders again. It'll look back. Well, you had plenty of gravel on the magnet.
Yes, I did. Maybe it's still in there, somewhat of the way.
Yeah, it's not coming out. I'm guessing it's still attached. Thread at least a little bit. Yep. I'll get the other one started.
Yep. Good.
Good. Down to one. Almost got it done. Try to get those even as we could. Mike used his special super pink tape measure. Nah, just kidding. That's Stephanie's. It's not hot enough pink for Mike. Alright. Back in business. Almost. And by the way, pre-start the threads by hand, which he did. At least for most of them. There you go. Oh, am I done?
Alright.
Pretty sturdy.
It's sturdy.
Out the way, look at him. There he is. Got his rock sliders again. Or Nerf bars or tree kickers. I guess depending on where you're at. We don't have too many trees. So it'd be rock sliders for us. Alright, looks good, Mike. Good job.